In this recording on Pocket operations, let's take a look at the relevant settings for the Pocket. We'll go into settings, and if we go down to default geometry, first let's take a look at the actual geometry. You'll note the following. As far as our geometry choosing, you'll note we have tangent propagation automatically checked on. And this is true not only for Pocket, but this is also true for any operation that uses a chain geometry. And constant Z is checked. This is for milling. Now, for Pocket in specific, we also have Smart Face setting is turned on. If we continue on in geometry and go to the geometry type tab, we have Pocket, and we have the default type of geometry that we want to choose. I have it set recognition by chains, but we have all the other options over here. If I open this up, we can have our default as recognition by faces, chains without recognition, and outside recognition. I'm just going to leave it exactly the way it is. And we also have show geometry preview from CAM Manager. In addition to this, now let's go down to our default technology type. If we go down to our default technology, we have the option of Open Pocket, and as default, we're using the profile strategy. This concludes our recordings in our series of Pocket operations. Stay tuned for more on Pocket operations. We will be going into Pocket operations in full depth detail.